Hi dear friends, how are you all? Welcome to YouTube channel HR Tutorials India. In this video, we will be discussing how to mark exit an employee in EPF. How to mark exit an employee in EPF account when he or she resigns the company. We need to mark exit employee with his last working day and the reason for the exit. As we have the process of registering a new employee or a new member to EPF account, the same way we have the process of exiting the employee whenever he or she resigns the company. And for marking exit of an employee in EPF, we should have the last working day and the reason for leaving the organization. Now let us know and understand the process to mark exit employee in EPF. Step-by-step process to mark exit employee in EPF. In this process, we will be discussing in detail about the marking of theoretical as well as practically. Now first let us discuss the theoretical part, then later we will discuss about the practical part by logging into the employer portal. Firstly, we need to open the EPF portal, unified portal emp.epfindia.gov.in, and in the establishment login, enter an EPF username and password and click on sign in button. After logging into the portal, select the member tab and click the drop down and click the option member profile. You can use this every time to exit or delete an employee from EPF account when the employee resigns or leaves the company. A new page will open with a name search UAN. In the field UAN, enter the UAN number or EPF number of the employee who has resigned and click on the search button. Now a new page will open with all the details of the employee whose UAN or EPF number is entered. In this, we need to click on the option Mark Exit. After clicking on the Mark Exit button, details for exit or deleting the EPF account will be displayed. Now we need to enter the reason for exit. Choose the option and click on the reason for exit. Mostly it will be cessation, which means short service, and the reason could be anything. Mostly the reason will be resignation. Enter the exit date for EPF and EPS, and both should be the same, but by default it takes automatically the same dates. After entering the details, click on save button, which successfully completes the process of marking exit of the employee. Then followed by mark exit approval by the employer. By following this step-by-step process, we can mark exit an employee in EPF theoretically. Let us now see practically how to mark exit for an employee in EPF. First, open a search engine and enter EPFO employer login. Click on the EPF employer website and you will be directed to EPF employer login portal. Now we need to enter the user ID of the employer and then the password. Now click on sign in. Now we have signed into employer EPF portal. Now under the tab member, click on member profile, where a page will be displayed with search UAN. Here we can enter the UAN number or the PF number. Let us go with the entering the UAN number. Here I am entering the UAN number of the member or the employee who resigned from the job and he has to be marked as exit. Now after entering the UAN number, click on search button. After clicking on search button, the details of the employee will be displayed and there will be different tabs displayed over here. Now we need to check whether the employee name is correct or wrong, and after verifying it, click on mark exit. By clicking on mark exit, member exit details are displayed. Now here we need to select the option for reason exit. Here he has resigned, so I am just selecting is cessation, short service or any other reason, that is resignation, and I have to select the exit date for EPF, that is 31st December, and it automatically takes the exit date for EPS as well. After entering these details, click on save button. Member exit updation request generated successfully for approval. So now we have successfully updated. The next thing what we need to do is approving the exit of the employee. So we need to go to the approvals. Here we can see member exit individuals. So there are 3 employees who have resigned and updated for exit approval. So we need to click on approve for approving the member exit individuals for 3 employees. Click on approve, and here it will ask, are you sure you want to approve? Click on OK. Approved successfully, which confirms that the 3 members are successfully exit from the database of employer. So dear friends, we have discussed the step-by-step process to mark exit an employee in EPF both theoretically as well as practically. Hope you have understood. If you have any queries or questions related to this video, that is how to mark exit an employee in EPF, please do comment in the comment section. I'll be happy enough to answer all your queries. And if you like this video, please do subscribe and share among your friends. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a nice day.